Hey guys, and how's it going? Today we are removing the inner taillight on this Toyota Auris. Stay tuned. So we start off by opening the hatch and we remove this cover. And the whole light assembly is held on by these two 10mm nuts. And if we look right up there, there is a 10mm nut that needs to be removed. And also this electrical connector. To unplug this, there is a clip that you push in and at the same time pull the connector apart. And what I like to do is I want to take a piece of wire and wrap it around the connector to keep it from falling, so that I can't reach it. In that case, I have to remove this whole cover, and I don't want to do that if I don't have to. Something like that. Now we can unplug the connector. Like so. Now I'm gonna remove that hidden nut. Put that aside. Let's see here. There you go. Ha! And now we can remove these two. Okay. Okay. Now we technically should be able to just lift the whole thing. That's it. Now you know how to remove the inner taillight assembly on Toyota Auris Touring Sport. Well guys, the reassemble is just the reverse of removal. The only thing to keep in mind is be very careful to when you remove the hidden nut so you don't drop it. I used chewing gum in the socket and put the nut on there to keep it in place, and that went well. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.